So the 11th of February 2016 was the day I made my YouTube channel, and that's a bit more than 2 years ago right now. So let's recap on those 2 years. I right now have 45,796 views, which is pretty nice. I have 154 subscribers, which is also pretty nice, and I have 64 videos. So my most watched video is about a fidget cube. I waited a long time for the real fidget cube from Lab, and I did a comparison between the fake one and the real one, and that blew up. It got around 15,000 views, I think. Pretty nice. But if you then go a bit further in the timeline, you'll see that on the 24th of May 2017 I stopped making videos. You're probably thinking, why? Why did you stop uploading? Well, I got the opportunity to work for another channel called Red Ferret, links below, and the Red Ferret is a tech blog, and I got the opportunity to make videos, write tech blogs, and get products so I could review them. Win-win situation. I still love the things I do, and I get products for free on the videos I make right now. I have to buy these products, so I don't have a ton of money to buy everything I want. But with the Red Ferret, I had all those opportunities, so that was pretty nice. I say that was pretty nice, not because I quit the Red Ferret, I'm still doing it and I still love it, but because I also came back to the unboxing. So on the 29th of December, I uploaded New Year's resolution, 1K subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. This year I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm really not there yet. I don't know if I will get 1,000 subscribers, probably not. But I at least got around 150, 160 views on some videos, thanks to Reddit. So thank you Reddit. I post my videos on Reddit, so I get some views and I get some commentary on them. So pretty nice, pretty neat, really like that. And I not only want to thank Reddit, I of course want to thank my subscribers. So my first subscriber was PMALVIDA02. 1 year ago, he has 300 subs, and thanks a lot for being the first one to subscribe on this channel. Then we have Sophia Stokes. She's always commented on my videos. I do really know my subscribers by name, actually, because I don't have a lot of subscribers. Samuel Koch, he also commented on my videos. MLD Gaming did as well. And then the last weeks I got some more subscribers. Nick Weiss, Muhammad Ali, Shiffen AHMD, Scoop 8500, Matthias Genier, and Forever Fearless Magazine. So pretty neat that people want to watch this content and they subscribe for it. And I just want to thank you for that. So my New Year's resolution remains. I want to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if I will get there, but I at least got a lot of views already. I have 45,000 views, so that's already a big accomplishment for me. But of course there are a lot of people who want to make money out of YouTube. If I would have the opportunity, I'm honest, I would really do want to make money out of YouTube, but I still think you need to like doing it before you do it for the money. I've been doing YouTube for a long time and never got any money out of YouTube. I think I uploaded my first video on YouTube for at around 2012, I think, which is already 6 years ago right now. I've had a lot of channels in the past, and I uploaded my first video in 2012, and I did those videos and I still do them right now just because I like it, just because I like the filming, because I like the editing, and because I like uploading them. And yeah, of course I like it when you watch my videos, of course I like it when you comment and when you subscribe and stuff, but if you're doing it really only for that, then you're not doing it for yourself and you won't hang in there. So besides the fact that I want to reach 1,000 subscribers, I also want to reach 100 videos on this channel. I have 64 right now, so not a long way more to go, so I'll probably get that this year if I don't fall sick or something. Let's hope not. But yeah, I've been talking way too long and wasting all your time. I just want to thank you for being here, for watching my videos, and yeah, leave a like down below, subscribe if you want for more content, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. See ya!